Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel VBA code tutorials. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to add and clear comments dynamically with a selected range of cells. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output. I'm selecting some range to add the comments of the selected range. Click add comments. Here we got one pop-up window with the input box, Excel VBA tutorials. Now when I click OK, notice here we got all the comments added. See? Suppose if the user not entered any value, see comment not added by the user. The message box we have added in the if condition. Now I want to clear the comments, the selected range. For this part only I want to clear the comments. Click clear comments. See, it's clear all the comments. Let's clear all the comments.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I have created one book, one Excel sheet. Normally, when we want to add a comment, we'll select the cell, right click the mouse, insert comment, we'll add some comment here. Here we got our comment. But our aim is when we want to select the selected range of cells to add a comment, again right click the mouse, go to insert comment, we'll add some comment here. Notice here it's added only one cell, but the remaining selected cells is not adding. So for that we require one. Let me first close these comments here. Delete comments. For that we require the macros. I'm using macros to add or clear comments dynamically to a selected range. Now to create a macros, go to developer. On a developer, there is a Visual Basic here. Click the Visual Basic. Now first let's add one module. Click insert, click module. Now here we'll add one function name. So add comments, add com, and next one is clear com. Clear com. Now we got two functions here, which are the macro names. Now first I am declaring two objects, two variables. One to insert the record, to insert the comment, and the second one to select the range of cells. So first dim com add. Let's add the insert comment. Insert com as string. And second one dim selected cell as range. Now here now I want to add the comment. When a user clicks the button control, I want to open one input box. So insert com is equals to input box, enter the comment, and after that if, now write the code, if condition, if insert com is empty, if the user not inserted any comment, then I want to display the message box, comment not added by the user. Else part. In the else part, first let me close this and if condition, and if. In the else part, if the user add the comment, that comment I want to add the selected range. So we require for each loop, because we are selecting more than one cell, for each I am adding this range, selected cell in selection. Let me close this for loop with next. Next, after that, with selected cell, let me close this and with also, and with let's first let's clear the comments, then add comment. Now let's add the comment.text. We'll add text here. The text we are getting from this insert com. That's it. And this is the code to add the comments for the selected range. Now to clear the comments, we require the selected range only. Up to next we'll select, copy this one and paste here. We don't require these all things. We just require the select clear comments and also the declaration part. We have to declare the object now. That's it. This code for to add the comments of the selector range, and this code is to clear the comments for the selector range. Now the next step, switch over to the Excel sheet. We'll add two button controls. Under the same developer menu, under controls there is a insert controls option. Click that one. Under insert controls there is a form controls here. I'm adding one button control. Cancel button control. I'm changing the text to add comments, and also now we require the another button control to clear the comments. Right click the mouse, edit text, clear comments. Now after adding the buttons, now we require to add the macros, to assign the macros to these comments. Now select the add comments, right click the mouse, assign macro, add comment. I am selecting the add comment, which is our macro name or function name. Click OK. Now clear comments, right click the mouse, assign macro, clear comments. OK, that's it. Now let's check the final output. I'm selecting some range to add the comments of the selected range. Click add comments. Here we got one pop-up window with the input box, Excel VBA tutorials. Now when I click OK, notice here we got all the comments added. See? Suppose if the user not entered any value, so comment not added by the user. The message box we have added in the if condition. Now I want to clear the comments, the selected range. For this part only I want to clear the comments. Click clear comments. See, it's clear all the comments. Let's clear all the comments. If you want to add comments again, my name is Charan. Click OK. See, here we got the comments is added to all the selected cells. Let's clear this comments. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to add and clear comments dynamically to a selected range of cells using Excel VBA code macros. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.